Sleep is important because it helps us recharge and refresh our bodies and minds, and it's essential for good health. Most recent survey estimated that 68% of Americans say they just aren't getting enough rest. Did you know that there are some surprising things that happen to your body when you don't get enough sleep? Let's take a look at some of them. 1. It can hurt your immune system. There is a very strong link between sleep and the immune system in general. Your immune system weakens when you don't get enough sleep. This means that your body has a harder time fighting off germs and viruses that can make you sick. You may find yourself getting sick more often or taking longer to recover from an illness. 2. It can raise your risk of weight gain. Not getting enough sleep can actually lead to weight gain. Research published in the Journal of Sleep found that people with restricted sleep had altered levels of endocannabinoids, one of the chemical signals that affect appetite and the brain's reward system. The researchers also discovered that when people were sleep deprived, they ate more and had unhealthier snacks between meals, at the same time that endocannabinoid levels were at their highest. 3. You become forgetful and have trouble concentrating. One of the first things that happens when you don't get enough sleep is that you start to have trouble remembering things and focusing on tasks. Your brain needs rest in order to function properly, and when you don't get enough sleep, it can't function at its best. This can make it harder to pay attention in class or remember important information for a test. 4. Your mood can change. Lack of sleep can also affect your mood. You may feel more irritable or moody than usual, and it can be harder to control your emotions. Lack of sleep can make you more irritable, moody, and short-tempered. You may also find it harder to control your emotions or cope with stress. Additionally, not getting enough sleep can make you feel more anxious or depressed, which can affect your overall well-being. 5. Your skin may look dull and tired. Not getting enough sleep can affect the appearance of your skin. You may notice that your skin looks dull and tired, and you may develop dark circles under your eyes. This is because sleep is when your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, and when you don't get enough sleep, your skin can't recover as well. So there you have it, 5 surprising things that happen to your body when you don't get enough sleep. It's important to make sure you're getting enough rest each night so that your body can function at its best.